Hi everyone, check out the YOUNIKE Bar Stools Set of 2 with adjustable height and swivel feature for ultimate comfort. Each stool features high-quality PU faux leather and high-density sponge upholstery with an ergonomic back design to relieve pressure. The sturdy metal base includes a non-slip rubber ring to protect your floors and ensure stability. These versatile stools adjust from 22.63 to 32.09 inches, perfect for counters 32 to 42 inches high and support up to 300 pounds. Assembly is quick and easy, taking only 3 to 5 minutes with included tools and instructions. The waterproof, oil-proof, and stain-proof leather makes cleaning a breeze with just a damp cloth. If you have any questions or issues, customer support is ready to help within 24 hours. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.